What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, we are doing a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Vivo Y53s. Now before we start, here are some specifications. It comes with 6.58-inch LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution and it has P3 color gamut. For performance, it has Helio G80 processor with Mali G52 GPU and it comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Now it has multi-turbo 5.0 and ultra game mode. Powering all this is 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts flash charger in the box. Now here are Antutu and Geekbench scores. This is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side and the battery is at 63%. There's an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is also at 26 degrees. Now let's check the temperature before we start. On the front it is 30 degrees, on the bottom it is 31 degrees, on the back it is 30 degrees and on the bottom it is 30 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Battlegrounds Mobile India. Now these are the graphic settings. HD graphics and high frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. Now let's get to the game. The visuals are pretty good, details are also nice, and controlling is also smooth, and I couldn't notice any lag. Now it's been 16 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 39 degrees, on the bottom it is 35 to 36 degrees, on the back it is 37 to 39 degrees, and on the bottom it is 35 degrees. So for a total of 17 minutes, battery came down to 59%. And phone feels slightly warm, but that's it. So for approximately 16 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 4% of battery, which is nice. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is still at 26 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 41 to 42 degrees, on the bottom it is 37 degrees, on the back it is fluctuating from 39 to 42 degrees, and on the bottom it is 36 degrees. Now the phone feels warmer than before, but doesn't feel hot. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 212 photos in those 3 minutes, which is pretty decent. And I have used the phone and there is no throttling going on. So that's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Vivo Y53s. Overall, the gaming performance was pretty good and there were no heating issues whatsoever, which is pretty great. So that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think about this phone? Let us know in the comments below. This is Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.